Guys, let's go to Italy. Come. It's given. Anyway, so I did my makeup.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it. And I don't wanna play your game. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So I just had a shower, cleaned up, some top, and it's cold, so I want to do my lip balm. So I'm going to Italy, as you've seen from the title. You know, first of all, applaud me for the consistency. Oh, it's a consistency. Anyway, so I'm going to Italy. I'm waiting for my sister to pick me up. I'm going to start. So I'm going to show you where you can buy things in wholesale, where we usually buy them. I buy my clothes, where I buy my shoes, where I buy my bags. So we're literally going for shopping today, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going to get. So let's go to Italy. And thank you. Have you subscribed yet? Come on guys, this girl is strong yet. Come on, subscribe. I don't know, should I do a gloss or I just go like this, because I like this, you know, that effortless look. Also guys, don't forget to follow @4Rimu's Closet. I'm gonna tag it here for cute bags and affordable price. So because today I'm gonna have new stock, so I'm loving this girl. I like her. She's just all about her money, about her time, because it's in the morning guys. Normally I'll be sleeping, but I was like, I woke up, I washed my utensils, I cleaned my house, and I'm like, let's start this day. Like, oh my god, I like it when I have this energies, because sometimes I just don't have energy at all, like straight up.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tells me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. Ooh, be down. I wanna be down.
Say hi. Say hi. Vai gaghetta, ti va a morire. So guys, I'm back. I didn't buy much. Let me see what I got. Of course, and even person to talk about. Like, so I had some orders I was doing for bags. So I've given out the orders, the riders to be taken to the customers. And yeah, so we went for clothes shopping, and I bought a few for myself. But I'm not going to try them. Like, I don't know, I'm not in the mood. So I bought this. It's a dress. I think it's so beautiful. You're going to see it on IG. I have a date coming soon, and that's going to be late. And I bought this dress. Oops. I like this one. So beautiful. Oh, I look like a rich woman. It has a belt. Yeah, and every time I go to the city, I must change my panties. I don't know about you, but I like to change my panties every now and then because being a woman. So I bought a dozen of panties. That's it. And that was it. Thank you for joining me. I'm tired.
Later.
Hi guys. So today is actually I don't even know what day is, but today I am shooting with my friend, so I'm waiting for her to come. Then she will say hi to you guys. So I'm shooting for my channel and her channel. You're gonna see, subscribe to her channel. So I don't know if is the lighting good. I'm watching her. I like her. She's my favorite YouTuber at the moment actually. So I'm waiting for my friend to come so that we can shoot. I'm already. I'm not gonna change, you know. Also, I like this. Look at my hands. I think this lighting is too much. I don't know. Say hi to this vlog. Say hi.
Hey, hello.
Also subscribe.
Guys, subscribe. Road to 5K, right?
Naomba subscribe kayako.
Okay, subscribe also to Cesspoint. CESSPOINT. Let's get to 2K subscribers.
Yay! Unakaa vizuri.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger than
2,000 years later.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Tracy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? 'Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. You telling me Tay is the best. Pointed at nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, but do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want that it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. That girl, they look like the garden, they eat it. Little talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib
next day.
You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah, because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do is get on top of me, because I'm all up on you. All up on you.
Later.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. What in the meta? So tell me why I'm getting dolled up for no reason. Because I'm just bored in the house and I'm like, I want to go for a drive, and I actually don't have a car, but I'm like, I'm a girl, I can always find a way, you know. So I'm getting dolled up. I'm just doing my makeup. I'm just from the shower, and you know, I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'm so bored in the house and I don't want to be indoors, so let's just do my makeup, maybe do TikToks and figure it out later because it's the weekend. I swear you should have seen how this makeup looks with a filter on. Like, whoa, it's given. Anyway, so I did my makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might go for a drive. I might just go look for something to eat, but I'm loving this. So I'm about to do some TikToks, and you know, it's the weekend, you never know. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna keep you posted. So that's what's up. I look so good. I look good and I smell so nice. I have a crush on myself always. It never ends.
Baby, it's in my time dwelling. 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 Born a little, funa wena. Born a winner, I so tender. Born a little, funa wena. I'm twisted cause one side of me is telling me that I need to move on, but the other side I wanna break down and cry. Ooh. I'm full of mood. I'm full of mood.
Hi guys, so As you can see, I'm not at home. I'm at a friend's house. I've been here for a while, so I want to go back home. But I'm passing by Italy to sort some orders for my business. So let's go. My Uber's here. I made sure bike, so that's what's up. Yeah, it's been a long weekend in Asia Tuesday. Like, can you imagine? Stacking.
Guys, masaa ya kazi
Na socks.
kwenye group yetu bamba wewe.
Bongo.
Okay, group ya host.
Hiyo ni maniaka.
Ingine hiyo ni aje. Sana kwambia tunabishananga ufala. Mtu akifanya kitu kama huoni.
Makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
So guys, from Italy, I went and sorted out my orders. I gave them out to their respective buyers. Now I'm back home. I just had a shower and I'm so tired. I'm gonna end this vlog here and start another one. So see you on my next vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this. Like, don't forget to subscribe. Like, see ya.